Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release of the Chinese small and mid-cap space in the morning so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great Chinese investments. Monday, November the 16th. A lot of earnings news coming out because we're at the third quarter reporting time. So let's get straight to it. First up, Sinovac. Biotech trades on the NASDAQ under SVA. They reported their third quarter financial results. This is a developer and provider of vaccines, and I'll tell you why that's going to be important in a second, but you can already guess. Let's get to the highlights first. Sales for the 9-month period increased 40% to $48 million. I'm doing a little rounding. Net income up 606% to $5.2 million or 12 cents per share. Here's what I really liked about the company in addition to these fantastic results. The president CEO, I took an excerpt from his quote. We're very proud that Sinovac was the first company in the world to develop a vaccine for the H1N1 pandemic flu virus. Didn't know that was the case, so we've gone to a great company here. He goes on to say, we've not only acted as a successful provider of H1N1 vaccine to China, but we've also made strides toward providing other markets such as South Korea and Mexico with the vaccine as well. As of September 30th, the company had $46.6 million in cash and cash equivalents, closed Friday at $9.38. Next up, China Recycling Energy trades on the OTC under CREG. This is an industrial waste to energy solutions provider. I like this business. This is a company that takes waste and recycles it and converts it into energy. So this is the next evolution in the way we dispose of waste and recycling. And very important, especially in China, where you can imagine this is going to be in demand and increasing demand for years and years to come. They put out highlights for the third quarter and the 9 months. I'm going to give you the 9-month numbers for obvious reasons. Revenues up 390% to $34 million. Net income, $8.1 million. That compares to a loss of $4.3 million last year. Fully diluted earnings per share, 19 cents compared to a loss of 14 cents per share last year. Why do I like that number? If they can maintain this number, that's a big if, do your own due diligence. If they can maintain this number, they're on a run rate of 56 cents per share in earnings over a four-quarter period. Now, the company closed on Friday at $2.70, so they're at a run rate here. They're in earnings per share about five and a half times earnings per share if they can maintain that. Now, they may not be able to. It may have been just a great quarter. On the other hand, given the growth that they're going to go on right now, they may actually exceed that number and actually have increasing top and bottom line growth. That's why I'm using 56 cents as a base study. Potentially a nice find here. And what also tips me off, their 52-week high, $2.78. 52-week low, 22 cents. They close at $2.70. That means the market is taking this stock seriously, and it may be early yet if they can maintain this number. Next up, China XD Plastics trades on the bull board under CXDC. They put out the third quarter numbers, $36.2 million in revenue, up 62%. Gross profit, $8.4 million, up 46%. Total volume shipped, 17,900 metric tons, up 78%. This is a company that manufactures and distributes modified plastics primarily for automotive applications. The company chairman CEO had also this to say, very important, we're honored that our success in growing and strengthening our business created the conditions for listing our shares on the NASDAQ global market. We believe this will further strengthen our business and so on and so forth. So I'm not sure if they've already been approved and on their way to NASDAQ global market or if they've just met the conditions. But look for that, because if they get added to NASDAQ global market, that's a good sign. Closed yesterday at $7.04. Next up, Orient Paper, OTC, ORPN. They put out their third quarter numbers. Revenue up 67% to $30.5 million. Gross profit up 107.4%, $7.1 million. Net income up 107.1%. Those numbers are kind of close, but nonetheless, that's and that translates into $4.8 million or 20 cents per share. Closed on Friday at $7.10. That's a wrap. As always, if you're looking for more great small and mid-cap Chinese emerging companies, then get yourself over to ChinaSecurities.com. Front page there, 3 things you can do. 1, watch this show on a daily basis by tuning in or subscribe to it via YouTube, Google Video, or any of the other syndication partners that we have and that you may subscribe to. 2, take a look at the best press releases out of a wide range of industries over the last couple of days. We put them right there on the front page. In case you missed a couple of days, they're all there, and that's just the best of the best. And finally, click into the directory. Over 320 companies that we're following right now. Succinct descriptions of each, but you can also filter the list by industry and exchange so you can quickly find the ones that best suit your portfolio. It's the best place to go for Chinese investments. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.